Okay, hello, hi, this is Ryan Ahmed with you, and this is an introductory video about a package in TCL scripting language called TCL Windows API extension. Now, this package is supposed to give you information about your Windows operating system, and only deals with Windows. It has nothing to do with any other operating system. It's just Windows OS. Okay, now. This extension can give us so many information about like what you can see here at the column to the left here. Okay, is things related to the operating system, all the information that you can find, and some of it can be useful in our management of Windows OS. Okay, now, and with TK, if you want, you can with TK make a beautiful information system about, or information application, or informative application about your Windows OS. Now, this package requires the following: either you have a minimum of XP for Windows XP for 32-bit operating systems, and TCL minimum is version 8.5, okay, and Windows 2003 server, and TCL 8.5 for 64-bit systems. So in short, TCL Windows API extension, as you should have guessed, okay, is called TWAPI. So from now on, I'm gonna say TWAPI. Okay. Now TWAPI, I'm running it using Active State TCL. Okay. You have to go to activetcl.com and download ActiveTCL or ActiveState.com. Sorry. And download ActiveTCL interpreter, okay, for your compatible operating system on Windows. Okay, it's so easy. Just next, and you just get it done. And I've explained it in one of my videos there. Okay, you can see it in the channel. So now I'm running Windows XP because I can run it as I can record. Okay, because as you notice, this is at the bottom is Linux Debian. Okay, and Windows now here XP is running as what do you call on a virtual machine. I'm using VMware, and I'm pausing now the VMware. Now I'm running it. Now what we're gonna do now is how to install it. Now once you install ActiveTCL, you update the whole TCAP system, okay, all the TCAP repository, and you update it, you download all things inside it. Now you get a folder named TWAPI with the version number 3. This is old, okay, and I added from it dash old. Okay, now what you do, or what you should do, is make a new folder with the same name without the old. Okay, without the dash old in the name of the files. Okay, and it has to be an empty one. Now, you go to this. Let me first pause the VM just to not to heat up the system. Okay, see, it will stop here a little bit. So we go to the link here. Okay, and I prefer that you put it on a different tab, and you follow this folder path home. It will open first on home, then you go to current releases, then you go to TCL API, then you go to TWAPI, the current version here, okay, and you select the one with the bin. Bin means it's already compiled build for us, just to ready to work on it. Now, once you download it in your system, you can you will have to go to this path, you know. Let me go up, okay, and this is where you should go. So the installation of ActiveTCL goes by default on the C drive directly. This is TCL. Okay, I'll go to libraries. Okay, just a minute. I got confused. Include. No, it's not in the include. Lib. Okay, and teapot, yes, because it's a teapot thing. Okay, and package, and then you go to this, okay, and follow it more, and you see the TWAPI, I mean, everything starts with T here. Okay, so it's TWAPI located here. This is the older one. Okay, and this is the new one, but you have to put the same folder path because this is where Teapot can find it. Cool. And then and this is how we can directly access it. Okay, and just by opening this, okay, you find the folder. You can just simply copy the contents of this. You know, I'm using here WinRAR just to open this zip file. It's a compressed file. Okay, and just drag things over to here. Okay, and that's all, you're done. Okay, then to start, when you use active TCL, you have to go, just for now, just this is for now, just for us to test the commands of TWAPI. Okay, you can use tcon. Okay, and here's tcon. Okay, I've been trying to use some of the commands here. See, TWAPI commands. Okay, I'll start over. Okay, with this, with the tcon, sorry, and if you want, you can just list all the commands that you want the same way we start with tcon, by putting them in a file with the extension .tcl, and it has to be opened with Notepad. You can use Sublime editor, you can use VI on Linux. Okay, you can use whatever text editor similar to VI and Pico and here Notepad, or you can use, for example, Notepad++. It's the same, any text editor. Okay, even IDEs can work, like with Eclipse. You can still use with the LTK package plugin on Eclipse, and smoothly you can just start working. Anyway, so this is it. Okay, and we start with package require. Okay, TWAPI. Okay, now it gives you this version. See, if you do not update, you'll see the version 3. Cool. Now let's test some commands that are there. Now let's see the commands from networking. Let's see, because you know, usually networking something like attractive. So networks, what is it? Network configuration. We're waiting because my internet is very slow here. Okay, so this is the list of commands that we can use. Now, if you want, we can test the ARP commands, which are related to the table of IPs versus MAC addresses, or what we call also hardware addresses. So this is the ARP tables. This is the hardware versus IP. So if you notice here, this is my current ARP table. Okay, if it's empty, just ping anything. Okay, use this ping command. All your network devices that in your local area network, you can use ping any IP that you want. You will eventually get a MAC address here. Okay, so I will print this in a TWAPI's way. So everything in TWAPI has to start with this and TWAPI. Okay, and get ARP table. Let's see all the get commands, ARP table, and that's it. So I'll find here, okay, a list, okay, of things. Okay, for example, here he's making the interface index, hardware, address type. It's an array. Okay, so you can find everything this way. Cool. Looks like my ARP table has been flushed. So if I ping something like my router here, okay, and of course you should find an updated ARP table. Okay, let's see what else. see routing table. Okay, let's get the routing table too. Okay, so let's say I want to ping, or not pinging, without pinging, it's a routing table. So get routing table. This is everything about the routing table. You get a list of them. Okay. Now, if I wanted, I could have used like TK and rearrange this in a more acceptable way. Like this is hard to read. Okay. So I could have like used a TK what do you call table list, and just reordered it and rearranged it in a much readable way. Okay. But there's nothing wrong with this. This is just the output of this command, so we can use it with other stuff in TK. Okay, this is just convenience for us to use in TK when it's like this. Let's see, if I want to say that get TCP connections, for example. Okay, I don't want to go through this a lot. Okay, TCP connections. Okay, see, this is all your TCP and all your UDP connections. Okay, blah blah blah. Okay, and let's see what else. See what can we do with, for example, our storage. Okay, I will have to wait a little bit just to get it open. So everything about your Windows operating system, all the information, okay, you can get it from this package, this library. Okay, just write your own script, okay, and make your own reports through this. So for example, let's see, find all logical drives. Okay, here, find all logical drives. Let me first look at it like this so it can be better for reading. Find all logical drives. Okay, so we have A, C, D. If you look into my drive in my computer, you should find ACD. Where's ACD? ACD. See the floppy and the hard disk and the DVD. Okay, there's another one that I've remembered now. I've read it earlier. It's called the eject. Okay, I can eject my CD-ROM. So I can select eject media and maybe my D drive. Okay, see, I think you heard it. It just opened. I'll repeat it again. Okay. Here, it opened, see? And you noticed it took a little bit of time here when it says they're not responding. That's because of my DVD has been reloaded into the its shelf, you know, its drive, its pocket. So what else? Unmap drive, so drive level, whatever, you can do all that. Okay. There is also regarding the sources. Let's see what else. Yeah, installation is module. Okay, let's see if we can, for example, open some sound wave file and hear it. Okay, play some sound. Okay, so for example, let's see how it's written. Play some sound and some options. Okay, play sound with sound maybe either wave file or so you have to put a file path for it just to be able to use it. So let's see. Let's find first on Windows where can we find wave files. Usually there are some inside your Windows folder. Okay. Okay, we can search here. Let's see, just a second. Search. Okay. Change preferences. Pictures, videos, music, whatever. Okay, music only. Okay, advanced search options. Look in, not in C. Let's see, C Windows. Okay, and search. Okay, we have in media, so I can those are just media files. It just will take time. Okay, let's try beep, for example. Try beep to beep it. It won't beep because of virtual machine things. Anyway, I don't want to waste my time on this. What else? See other stuff there. I remember one thing that's related to getting the uptime of your operating system. How long has it been running? Okay. Console, maybe. Okay, heaps of stuff. It's like awesome, very nice package for Windows. Okay, and I'm seriously talking about this. Okay, I like it's so many things inside this one. Okay, so I hope you like this video and enjoy. There's like I can't talk anymore about this. All you have to do is just test all those commands, and now you know how to use them. Just list them as they are. Okay, and remember there is in the space here there is usually, so don't get tricked by this. There's here always an underscore. See, there's always an underscore. So when you read this, remember there's an underscore. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Okay, please don't forget to click the likes, click the ads, click the comments, and type something inside them. Okay, thanks for watching.